What is monotop glueless wig? What is displayed now is monotop glueless wig. Why is there a monotop? Because the mesh of the monotop is thinner, so after you put it on, its knot looks smaller and more natural than the lace knot. The mono mass is stronger, very durable, and breathable. There is an elastic net on the back, which can fit your head size well. Compared with the ordinary glueless wig, there is an extra lace in front of the monotop glueless wig, and a pre-plucked hairline has been added to the extra lace, so that the front hairline is more natural, just like the hairline you grew. Worker using the adjustable elastic band pad at the back, so that it can be directly pieced to the adjusted size, which is more convenient. Soft material are used in the ears, and the temples will be more comfortable after wearing them. We also have other beautiful colors and styles. More awards, welcome to visit www.wigsroyal.com. Any suggestions, questions, or comments, welcome to write to sales04@wigsroyal.com. And please remember to subscribe to get the latest hair trends, newsletters, corporate news, and so on. Thank you. See you next time.